Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of Mitsubishi stuff. If you're new to the channel, feel free to browse. I have lots of videos on the RVR Outlander Sports or just a regular Outlander. But today we're gonna do this. So we upgraded this RVR Outlander Sport or ASX, depending which area you're from, to this off-road package. And the last missing piece is this hood deflector that we're going to be installing ourselves. So it comes in a box like this. We'll take it out, we'll show you step-by-step instructions how to install it, and then we'll check out how the finished product looks. So I think it's going to finish off the entire front really nicely, especially because we deleted the chrome from the front, and this is going to be black hood deflector that is going to just finish this off-road edition off. So now let's get to work. So luckily we have a nice easy to follow instruction how to install this hood deflector. So if we do, like, step by step, we first take these white pins, and then underneath this seal stripe there is this hole here, right here. It just goes in here first. Push it in, and then we do the second one as well. So that's basically a step one that we'll be doing, and then we'll do the other. So the next up, we'll take these two metal clips, and then we're gonna essentially add them right here, screw them on like this, and this is where the hood deflector is gonna go on. Because it's metal to metal, we do have these 3M stickers right here, so we'll be just applying the 3M here so it doesn't rub the paint off, and then we're gonna screw on this clip right here. And now we're gonna take these three clips, and essentially then we're gonna put them on the hood deflector here, and then once that's done, then we'll be able to position it and screw on to these brackets that we just brackets or clips that we just installed. So now let's put these on the hood deflector. Okay, so now we take this clip, put it underneath here, and screw it with this screw, and we always have to put the washer in between as well. It's going to be a rugged looking thing, but it matches the off-road theme that we have. Okay, there we go. And now we'll do the other two. And now that we installed these clips, what we need to do is we just line everything up with these big clips, so we have the proper placement for the right position. And then we need to, again, because it's going to be otherwise metal to metal, we need to put these 3M stickers right here where the clip is going to go. It goes right here, that way it doesn't rub on the paint. There we go, and we do this on all three clips. Okay, let's run the video. And now the last part is basically to clip it on, and then once it's on, so we have two holes right here on each side, here and here, and then we just screw it on to this clip right here, and that's when we can consider it done. So now let's clip it on here and here and there. Line it up, and then we'll do the last part of screwing the screws. So just wanted to show you this fitting from this angle. So basically it goes in right here, and then you line it up and you push it all the way in. Like, it's better to do it with your hood up, and that way you can press it in a little bit better. It takes a little bit force to press it in. And now it's literally last step to put these 2 screws in to secure it, and then we'll peel off the plastic protective cover and our job is done. And let's put this screw in right here. Nice. And of course the other one as well. Right here. Awesome. Okay, now that this is done, we can peel off the protective film right here. And we can see how we did. All right, let's close the hood. I really like how it finishes off the entire vehicle. It's really nice Mitsubishi logo right here. It's a genuine part. Looks very, very sharp. And it's very stable as well, so it won't give you any rattling, anything else. So we fastened it properly. We did all the necessary steps to make it secure and safe. And I think it looks very, very good. It takes a little bit of time, especially when you do it first time. It's not a very easy thing, but if you read instructions, you follow the steps, and you allocate a little bit of time, you'll be good. So there we go. I think it turned out great. It's a great add-on to have. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. I have a lot more do-it-yourself videos there, and also a lot more content on some other Mitsubishi models and whatnot. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.